Welcome to the Attach2 product journey. We're excited to guide you through the seamless process of bringing our top-notch attachments to your worksite. Whether you're reaching out to our friendly ASR team or getting in touch via phone call, we're excited to run you through what's involved. Our contact channels are designed with you in mind. Get in touch with our friendly ASR team for a quick conversation or inquire via our website. Once you've decided the attachments you're after, we then kick off the order processing stage. Key here is identifying the specs that you're after, especially when something is out of the ordinary or you're doing a special build. Your order then enters the production phase, where it's booked in to our state-of-the-art facility. Our skilled team then picks everything required for your build, ensuring specs align perfectly with your requirements. It goes without saying that quality is our priority. Before leaving the factory, our product goes through a rigorous quality control process to ensure nothing is missed. Your product is then picked and packed by a dispatch team. Another QC process is carried out to ensure nothing is missed, freight is booked, and your package leaves to your location. So what if something's not quite right? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Get in touch with our dedicated support team and we'll get you up and running right away. Now that you understand the process, and if you're ready to invest in a quality attachment supplier, get in touch via the website or call us today.